Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Triangle Exercise 6.5 question number 13. Let's see the question. D and E are the points on the side CA and CB. Now D and E are the points on the side CA and CB of a triangle ABC right angle at C. So I have drawn a right angle triangle ABC right angle at C. So D and E are the points they have said. Now prove that AE square. AE square means please join the what they have given. We want AE. So join AE. Then BD. Join BD. Now AB square plus DE square. Again join D. As we know that C is 90 degree, we can take any triangle as a right angle triangle. If we take any triangle, it will be a right angle triangle joining C. Now, they have asked for AE. Let me take LHS. We'll find AE. AE is this, the triangle in triangle AEC. So I am taking this triangle. I want AE. So I am taking the full triangle having AE as an hypotenuse. So we know that angle C equal to 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem. We know that AE square equal to EC square plus CA square. Okay, let me have this to be 1. Now in triangle BD, I want BD. So taking BD as hypotenuse, I am taking this triangle. In triangle BCD, angle C equal to 90 degree. So we know that BD square equal to BC square plus CD square. So we have found LHS 2 points. Let me add this to get AE square plus BD square. So adding 1 and 2. I get AE square plus BD square is equal to EC square plus CA square plus BC square plus CD square. Let me take this to be equation 3. Now we'll move on to the RHS. On the RHS side we have AB square. AB is the full triangle. So in triangle ABC, angle C equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, every time we need to write, I forgot to write this, write by Pythagoras theorem. You need to write what formula you are going to do. So AB square equal to BC square plus AC square or CA square, whatever it is. Let me write this to be 4. Another one is DE. DE is here. So in triangle DEC, angle C equal to 90 degree. So we know that by Pythagoras, DE square equal to EC square plus CD square. Now let me write it to be equation 5. We want this 2 in addition. So let me add 4 and 5. Adding 4 and 5 we get AB square plus DE square equal to BC square plus AC square plus EC square plus CD square. Now I am taking this to be equation 6. Check with your equation 3 and 6. Both are same. AE square plus BD square is equal to, here we have EC square plus CA square or AC square, BC square, CD square. So both are equal. From 3 and 6. From 3 and 6 we found that these two are equal. Therefore this two will be equal. LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Again you write what they have given, what to be proved. AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. That's all with the sum. Thank you.